Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata showroom features. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata stands proudly in a luxurious showroom, a masterpiece of design and engineering. Its sleek, aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, capturing the essence of motion even while standing still. Under the showroom lights, its glossy finish reflects an aura of sophistication, showcasing the passion behind Mazda's legendary roadster. Every detail, from the sculpted hood to the bold fenders, tells a story of performance, precision, and pure driving pleasure. The front fascia is striking, featuring a redesigned grille that blends seamlessly with sharp, aggressive LED headlights. These sleek, modern lights not only enhance visibility but also add to the car's commanding presence. The low stance and sculpted bumper reinforce the Miata's sporty character, hinting at the thrilling experience that awaits behind the wheel. From the side, the 2025 MX-5 Miata remains true to its roots, compact, lightweight, and perfectly balanced. The carefully sculpted bodywork enhances aerodynamics while maintaining an elegant, timeless profile. Precision-cut alloy wheels, available in various finishes, complement the car's dynamic personality. The subtle fender flares and streamlined mirrors add to the overall harmony of the design. The soft top roof, engineered for quick and effortless operation, invites drivers to embrace open-air freedom. A single motion transforms the Miata from a sleek coupe into a thrilling convertible, enhancing the driving experience with every breeze and ray of sunlight. Inside the showroom, the car takes center stage, surrounded by an atmosphere of luxury and refinement. The polished marble floors reflect its striking presence, while ambient lighting enhances every detail of its meticulously crafted design. The illuminated display on the wall proudly showcases the name, 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata, reinforcing its status as an icon of performance and style. Stepping into the cabin, you're greeted by a driver-focused environment that perfectly balances comfort and control. The seats, upholstered in premium leather with fine stitching, provide exceptional support during spirited drives while maintaining a touch of luxury. The minimalist yet sophisticated dashboard is designed with precision, offering an intuitive layout that keeps the driver engaged and connected. A high-resolution digital instrument cluster displays vital driving information with clarity, ensuring an immersive experience behind the wheel. The infotainment system, seamlessly integrated into the center console, offers touchscreen functionality, smartphone connectivity, and a premium Bose sound system. Every detail, from the ergonomic placement of controls to the tactile feel of the gear shifter, is engineered to enhance the connection between driver and machine. Beneath the hood, the 2025 MX-5 Miata is powered by Mazda's advanced Skyactiv G engine, delivering the perfect balance of power and efficiency. The naturally aspirated engine delivers an exhilarating throttle response, making every acceleration feel immediate and engaging. The finely tuned suspension and near-perfect weight distribution ensure the car remains planted and responsive through every twist and turn. Drivers can choose between a precise 6-speed manual transmission for the ultimate hands-on driving experience or an advanced automatic transmission with paddle shifters for seamless gear changes. The limited slip differential enhances grip, distributing power efficiently to maximize traction on winding roads and spirited drives. On the road, the MX-5 Miata is a masterpiece of balance and agility. The electric power-assisted steering provides exceptional feedback, allowing drivers to feel every nuance of the road. The lightweight chassis, constructed with high-strength materials, enhances stability without sacrificing the car's renowned nimbleness. Whether navigating city streets or carving through mountain passes, the Miata delivers a driving experience that feels intuitive, direct, and truly exhilarating. Technology and safety are seamlessly integrated, ensuring confidence on every journey. The Mazda iActiveSense suite includes advanced driver assistance features such as lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These intelligent systems provide an extra layer of protection while maintaining the raw, unfiltered connection between car and driver. As the Miata stands under the warm glow of showroom lights, it represents more than just a sports car, it's a statement. A symbol of Mazda's unwavering commitment to driving purity. A vehicle designed not just for transportation, but for emotion, excitement, and the sheer love of the road. The name MX-5 Miata carries a legacy that spans generations, a legacy built on lightweight agility, open-top freedom, and an unbreakable bond between driver and machine. The 2025 model continues this tradition while embracing the future with modern enhancements, refined aesthetics, and cutting-edge technology. In this luxurious showroom, the atmosphere is filled with admiration. Enthusiasts and potential owners gather around, drawn to the car's magnetic presence. Conversations spark about its heritage, its timeless appeal, and the countless memories waiting to be created behind the wheel. Owning a Miata is more than just having a sports car, it's about embracing a lifestyle. It's about feeling every curve of the road, enjoying the open sky above, and experiencing driving in its purest form. The 2025 model continues to capture this spirit, offering an exhilarating escape from the ordinary. As you admire the Miata, you can't help but imagine the possibilities. The winding roads, the scenic routes, the spontaneous weekend getaways, all enhanced by the car's effortless performance and undeniable charm. It's a car that encourages you to drive for the sake of driving, to find joy in every mile, and to rediscover the thrill of being behind the wheel. Mazda has always believed in Jinba Itai, the philosophy of harmony between driver and car. This principle is deeply embedded in the 2025 MX-5 Miata, ensuring that every movement, every response, feels like an extension of the driver's intentions. It's a connection that transcends mechanics, turning every drive into a dance between human and machine. As the showroom lights reflect off its polished surface, the Miata stands as a beacon of driving purity in an age of increasing automation. It reminds us that driving is not just about reaching a destination, it's about the experience, the thrill, and the passion that comes with every journey. For those who step into this showroom, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is more than just a car, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to embrace the road, to feel the wind, and to experience the joy of driving like never before. The illuminated display name on the wall is not just a title, it's an invitation to be part of something extraordinary. The Miata is not defined by numbers or specs alone, it's defined by the way it makes you feel. The moment you sit behind the wheel, grip the steering, and hear the engine come to life, you understand. It's an icon that continues to inspire, excite, and ignite the passion of drivers around the world. As the 2025 MX-5 Miata stands in the showroom, it waits for its next driver, the one who understands that driving is more than just a necessity, it's an experience, a thrill, and an expression of freedom. This is the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata, a legend reborn, ready to create new stories, new memories, and new adventures. The road awaits. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.